Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about the C-wire, and we're going to examine if we have a C-wire with our HVAC system or heating and cooling system. So first thing we're going to do is just pull off this thermostat right here, and it's going to expose the wires. Now I have a red, yellow, green, and white wire hook up, and I also have this blue one right here that I want to determine if it is the C-wire. That's called the current or the common wire, and it's used by smart thermostats to electrically charge them or to power them. So we needed to test if it's going to be the one. Now to test if this blue wire is the common wire or also the C wire that is used for powering smart thermostats, we need to go ahead and use a multimeter to tell if it's getting current to it. I'm guessing it does because it is there, but I want to be sure before I install a smart thermostat. So all I need to do is I'm going to probe the red wire. If I can do this one-handed, come over to the common wire, and yes, I am getting current to it. And this one is looped over here, so I know this is going to be the same circuit as this one. If I go over to the yellow, just to test it, see I'm getting nothing. If I go to the green, I'm getting nothing. And if I go to white, I'm getting nothing. But definitely for sure I know that this is getting about 27 volts of AC power. So this will be able to charge or be able to power a smart thermostat.